Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So when we had visited Jodhpur in this recent times, we visited Umaid Bhawan Palace, and inside this palace there is this museum which is specifically kept for the visitors, because inside the palace, obviously, unless you are having a stay over there, you are not allowed to go inside the palace, but you can visit it from outside. You can take pictures. There is also this collection of vintage cars which is there. So once you go inside this museum, King Umaid, when he had traveled all over the world, he had this huge collection of clocks, which is still one of the top collection of clocks in the entire world. So let's check it out. So Umaid Bhawan Palace is still one of the world's largest private residences, and it is now the palace converted heritage property where still the royal family resides. And before visiting this palace, my first impression of the palace was where Priyanka had her wedding. So before entering into the palace, we were just checking out with respect to the places to visit nearby. So this view of this entire view is exactly from the front side of the Umaid Bhawan Palace, where you'd be able to see a number of vintage car collections, and that entry is like totally free. But in order to visit inside the museum, per person 30 rupees is the cost. If you are a foreign national, then the cost would be around 100 rupees, and for the minors the cost is around 10 rupees. And one of the most important thing in order to visit this palace is its visiting hours. So that timing is between 10 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. And usually while we travel, you need to keep in this mind very particularly, because after 4:30 the museum gets closed. So in order to travel to this palace, I would suggest you can have your lunch, or before having your lunch you can visit this Umaid Bhawan Palace. So that was about the collection of clocks inside the Umaid Bhawan Palace. So if you are visiting Jodhpur, you definitely have to visit Umaid Bhawan Palace. The first idea about Umaid Bhawan Palace while I had visited was obviously where Priyanka had her wedding. But obviously you cannot visit inside the Umaid Bhawan Palace unless you are having a stay. So the nearest that we can go to is this amazing museum which is there, and there is continuous audio commentary which is there. You can even take an audio visual guide over there, and this is a beautiful part of because even this museum is a part of a palace, so you would definitely get that feeling of visiting the interiors of a palace even if you are visiting this museum. So definitely if you are traveling to Jodhpur, do not miss out on the clock collection which is there inside the Umaid Bhawan Palace. So thank you so much for watching until here. So I am around 50 subscribers away from 1000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.